Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use the template builder for the automated emailing tool. The template builder has two different builders, the advanced builder and the easy builder, which is the screen that I'm on now. The easy builder includes pre-designed email templates and basically just makes it really easy for you to create good looking emails. It's all pretty straightforward, so I'm not going to go into too much details here. To use the advanced builder, click here. The advanced builder allows you to create plain text emails or create your own custom HTML emails. It also allows you to create dynamic emails using the shorthand tag. To use the shorthand tag, click here and then select whatever tag you want to use. In this example, I'm going to be selecting the product review link tag. Now, whenever an email goes out, the product review link for that order will be included here. If you want to add your own custom HTML, click the source button here. Then paste your HTML into the text area. Make sure your HTML is correct, otherwise your emails could look pretty janky. If you want to see how your email will look, you can click on the preview button. The preview button will give you an idea of how your email will look, but we recommend that you always send emails to yourself to see exactly how it will look. You can even include an Amazon order number here, which will show you how that email will look for that specific order number.